Okay, I'm going to go through the steps of taking a hearing test with my AirPods Pro 2 in my ear. Now, I've already put them in my ear. If you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth. Okay, you can see Teddy's AirPods Pro is already connected. Now, I've hit the I, and here it is right here. Take a hearing test. Let me click on that. Now, it's telling me that, hearing loss is not uncommon. If you have mild or moderate, the AirPods Pros can help you. I'm going to hit get started. Once up, I'm 18. Have I got a cold? Have you been in a loud environment? And then hit next. Find a quiet place where you can focus and take the test. Place your AirPods in the correct ear. Having the right AirPod in your right ear and the left in your left ear help with test quality. If you're wearing hearing aids, be sure to remove them. Next. Adjust the position and depth of each AirPod until the fit is snug but comfortable. A good fit is required to ensure accurate test. Next. AirPods will check the fit in each ear and measure. Start the check. Fit is good. It's quiet enough to do the test. Let's go to next. Do not disturb is on my iPhone, so it doesn't distract me. Hit next. Next. Okay, hearing test results. Left ear, mild loss, 29 dBHL. Right ear, 15 dBHL. Little to no loss, which is consistent with what my hearing professional told me earlier when I went in last year to get my hearing aid. Your test indicates mild hearing loss for left ear. Understand hearing loss, hearing aid can help. Set up hearing aid. So let's set up the AirPods to act as a hearing aid. Hearing aid. AirPods can help with hearing loss. Your AirPods Pro can be used as clinical grade hearing aid. They use the results of your hearing test to make adjustments that help you hear the voices and sounds around you. Your AirPods Pro can also make adjustments that help. Get started. Hearing aid can take time to get used to. Your hearing may need to get used to the new sound of your AirPod Pro. This is normal. It can take a few weeks. You can speed up the adjustment by consistently wearing your AirPods when you find it difficult to hear, which, by the way, is exactly, let's read the third one. You can always adjust the sound AirPods settings and control center. All three of those statements are consistent with what my hearing professional told me about my hearing aid. Let's do next. The hearing aid is ready. If you ever feel your hearing is getting worse, you feel pain, or you're getting dizzy, go to the doctor. Turn on hearing aid. You can make adjustments in the control center. Okay, so I have my hearing aids in. I can hear fairly clearly. It's definitely a difference in the way it sounds versus the way my little hearing aid works, which, by the way, I like this, but I kind of want something a little bit different. I've now taken my hearing test. I have my AirPods Pro connected and in my ear and charged up, and I've gone through the test. Let me hit done on this. So I think the thing for me to do now is to wear these for a while. They're definitely different than wearing a hearing aid. I've just got to experience it for a while, and I've got to find out if it's right for me. And I will come back after using them for a while, and I will update you on my experience.